Hello, ma'am. CD video sida aina explain tawjagadauriba si electricity ki mamangi aina tawjakiba video lecture ni continuation ni mamangi video lecture da aikoina electric potential difference hawa naina kre adana adugi makhata bani hujik naina gadorise adana aikoi hujik electric potential understand tawgra bani na aikoina hujik la gadorise electric current की definition ला लाते हैं definition of electric current definition से electricity हो रहा पता है ना ममांगी video lecture दा चौराना explain तो गया तो ना qualitative definition qualitative definition qualitative definition दा कोई ना करी understand तो वही है मतलब दा simply current hai se kamaina exist tawge haidu so current hai se kamaina exist tawge hairagadi aikoi gi conductor amada charge particles singna in a proper direction da chela adu hairagadi akoina current kawe hairagadi haiba definition se akoina qualitative definition kawe just to understand what is electric current adu dai du da akoina scientifically physically current ama haiba se कमाइना कोइना मासे define तौगे हायरगदी मागी definition जे quantitative definition जे कोई कइना मतमदा mathematical formula अमना मासे express तौगे यागा दौबने अदुना कोइना quantitative definition से येंगो मतमदा quantitative definition से येंग से exam दा हंगागा सुसी दम EBO ऐसे दे exam ने exam दा हंगागा सु कोई ने इगा दो से quantitative definition दो दम EB या है ना अदुगा qualitative तो ना हाँ ने इरागा quantitative से हाफसन लो ना तो मायने EB या है अदर quantitative definition से दे करीनो है मतंदा current से कोई ने mathematically current से कमाइना express तो भी आ गया so mathematically मां से कहीं ना कोई ना explain तो बना I equal to Q by T hybrid. Q is in a carino charge that flows through the cross section of the conductor. Hybrid is in a conductor malay. Conductor say a point of fine a kakomatamda magi and magi along the axis to the end point to the yang kumatam the uri mamaido. Look in a cross sectional area. Sigi area se kone kai kawi cross section kawi adana sigi q sina kai na conductor du ki cross section da pass tawraga chaliba charge tu ti sina kai na q sina pass tawraga chakhibada changba time adana isang samna sigi definition de kone kai hana define tawya current is defined as the charge that flows passing through the cross section of a conductor per unit time. Current is defined as the quantity of charge that flows through a cross section of a conductor per unit time. Definition so definition is electric current may be defined as the quantity of charge that flows through a cross section per unit time. Formula is in the line. Can I recommend? Adai magi SI unit kai wadani SI unit ampere. 1 ampere di kai gamana ni 1 coulomb by 1 second. Sigi matungda akoina 1 coulomb si kamana define tawani. I say define 1 ampere right. When 1 ampere is combined define the other again. So 1 ampere define the woman and the equina sigi relations that yenaga define the other. Hybrid Karigumba conductor amada 1 second kudingi conductor to cross section the 1 coulomb of charge in a far of the sailor. Current to 1 ampere. Say conductor in a color. conductor ki cross section se maside sida every second kudingi 1 coulomb of charge se faura ga su chalaba adugidi mangon da laiba current se kai kore 1 ampere current kore. So let us write down the definition. And I go sida laire define 1 ampere. Sigi relation sida yamo 1 ampere is made up of 1 coulomb of charge over 1 second. So that is the mathematical understanding. Now come to the definition. Sina hai se kai no sigi relation sigi art se kai no hai matanda if 1 coulomb of charge the 1 coulomb ki chang oiba charge kharana passes through the cross section of a conductor to ki cross section the power ga chala per second have second kudingi then adu etargadi the current is said to be 1 ampere current to 1 ampere ka we. So 1 ampere wagidi ke dotai cross section the power over charge to kai we batai 1 coulomb exactly we batai second ke ada 1 second kudingi yareko. Now our next topic is Ohm's law. The Ohm's hai se se George Simon Ohm hai se koi German physicist and mathematician. George Simon Ohm sina koi Alessandro Volta na invent kiba koi electrochemical cells se mana study to matanda mana kari find out tawre haiba matanda conductor amada so then you have this conductor AB. Conductor ABC ki across the conductor ABC the voltmeter ama same voltmeter ki mathau se kaino to measure the potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. Next the ammeter ama same ammeter ki mathau sina kaino to measure the quantity of current that flows to the circuit. Ammeter is always connected in series in the circuit and a voltmeter ki kamaina parallel oina samgani sina electrochemical cell or say battery do na kari potential difference set of aduga Alexandro Simon Ohm na kari fange har kanda ai koi gi mana voltage record tawre current record tawre voltage current se mana record tawba matam da ma se voltage value singi current value amount fange graph yakko matam da straight line ama fange sina voltage sina current sidagi ekoina kai khange haiba matanda George Simon Ohm na hailise circuit amada or say conductor amagi across a conductor the laiba voltmeter gi matungina current lakani haibadi current ka voltage ka directly related oi haibadi voltage hengatpa matamda current hengatkani adumani exactly mana sigi experiment sidagi fangi se karino ha matamda voltage increase to matamda current through the current increases haiba relation ado kana mathematically Ohm's law je kamaina express to yai hairagati voltage current is directly proportional to voltage that means when you increase the voltage across the conductor, the current to the conductor also increases. So, sigi relation is aina left hand side ka right hand side ka interchange tawga irasya. Masi aina equation ama waina ithokpa taragadi constant amana puri batai. Sigi r se kaino r is a constant of proportion. Sigi statement sida high sina kaino it simply states that voltage and current are directly dependent on each other. So equation when it okay equality the balance we always multiply by a constant. Sigi constant this constant is called resistance of the conductor. sigi resistance si Simon Ohm ki concept Ohm na kai hai asai ki conductor amagi potential difference hai current ka resistance ka puri na ga tai hai base higher me sugi resistance se kai dore ma se conductor to ki property ama khane ma se constant property ama khane aduna resistance ki definition je Ohm's law de gila bane si go kone equation of Ohm's law is si jina kai tare equation of Ohm's law yarani ko aduna apna mathematically Ohm's law hare gadi kari ninjangani always remember that this equation represents Ohm's law V equal to IR. I is the current through the conductor, R is the resistance of the conductor, and V is the potential difference across the conductor. So, when resistance have a pot ama Ohm's law study to matanga chongkhalaktra. How do you resistance? Understand what do you mean? What do you understand by resistance? Resistance haraga kadai ko ge kari no resistance is what is it? Hai taragati basically akoi ki magi physical meaning hai gadi nasai ki Ohm's law da ki koi khane V equal to IR R se kai ga mana re di V by I. So resistance haragati kari ta it's basically ratio of the potential difference to the current. This is magi mathematical understanding do ne physically have in reality the ma say resistance has a kari no it's actually a property of the conductor. Conductor to give property name. Kamai to what? Conductor to the current pass to the conductor to na current the upon ba athing ba kharapi say friction gumba. It's a kind of friction. It opposes to the flow of current. Current jenumatan the upon ba ayet ba pi ba hai that. High basically conductor ki properties ko kona kai correct resistance correct. Aduna kone resistance measure to ge hargadi kari no wongani V by I. Ohm's law is another resistance measure to ge ai. Aduga mass kari no hargadi it's the property of the conductor which opposes to the flow of current. So let us have a look to the definition of resistance. Resistance it's a property of a conductor. Conductor magi property ne magi magun ne conductor which provides the higher properties in a it gives or provides opposition to the flow of electric currents through the conductor. Conductor the current conductor do not chill current to the upon athing akai pinning property in highway one. And the magi SI unity when a mass measured over the R equal to V by I measured or SI unit of resistance I think Zor Simon Ohm Maming Laura resistance measured Ohm measured. So they gave 1 Ohm defined to be. However, the resistance understand the 1 Ohm has a command defined to the define 1 Ohm higher than a sagi when a mamma to give it to my definition to the young mirror R equal to V by I sida 1 Ohm when we higher the Ohm's is symbol say Greek letter omega omega 1 Ohm when guide this and is a man of a so sida 1 volt or hello sida 1 ampere or hello. Other the resistance to Kaitare 1 Ohm tare. And the definition either the Kai now one only definition of the example is they give up one on second the same whenever 1 volt 1 ampere. Hi the conductor amada the resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm. Resistance among conductor is 1 ohm current if 1 ampere current flows through it. Hi the 1 ampere current is now conductor is the chair under the action of a potential difference of 1 volt. Have the 1 volt ki potential difference in a conductor ki ends to the apply to the 1 ampere ki current chela. The conductor to na be resistance to 1 ohm ko be yai. Masigi matang swaita koiki lecture se question jarage aduka awat topic sing mathangi video da so the next time